Two all-terrain giants go head-to-head, the Firestone Destination AT2 and the BFGoodrich Trail Terrain TA, both equipped with the 3-peak mountain snowflake certification. Battle it out to see which one dominates on and off-road. Let's find out which tire is the ultimate pick for your adventure. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Firestone Destination AT2 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tire Review's 2022-2023 Best 9 All-Terrain Tire Tests. Gravel surfaces test a tire's ability to maintain stability and grip. The Trail Terrain TA complete the gravel lap only 0.2 seconds faster, almost a negligible margin. In subjective ratings, however, the Trail Terrain TA scored a 7.8 rating out of 10, while the Destination AT2 received a 7.3 rating. The Trail Terrain TA proved a more composed and responsive ride, offering better lateral stability and control in loose gravel conditions. On dirt surfaces, the Trail Terrain TA complete the dirt lap 1.1 seconds faster, which translates to a 2% improvement than the Destination AT2. Subjectively, the Trail Terrain TA was also rated higher at 7.9 rating compared to the Destination AT2's 7.4 rating. The Trail Terrain TA deliver better control and require less steering input to stay on course, whereas the Destination AT2, though stable, feels slightly less agile. Wet condition exposed a tire's rear grip. This is where we found a big surprise as the Destination AT2 stops 32.8 feet shorter, resulting in a 16% improvement in wet braking. And it also outperforms in wet handling by merely 4.43 seconds, resulting with a 5% improvement per lap. It also resists aquaplaning better, with a 3% improve in straight line aquaplaning, making it a clear wet weather winner. Dry roads are where Fire Destination AT2 shines again. It stops 4.6 feet shorter, which results in a 3% improvement in braking tests and records a 0.27 seconds faster lap time. While subjective handling is a tie, Firestone dominates in precision and braking confidence. For a quieter ride, the Trail Terrain TA wins inside the cabin, scoring 7.8 rating in subjective noise compared to a 7.5 rating for Destination AT2. However, the Destination AT2 ranks higher in overall ride comfort, achieving a rating of 7.9, while the Trail Terrain TA scores only 7.7. How about exterior noise? The Firestone AT2 is 0.7 dB louder, so if silent rides matters, take note. Lower rolling resistance means better fuel economy. The Firestone AT2 ranks first with a coefficient value of 8.4, making it eco-friendly option with a 6% lower rolling resistance compared to Trail Terrain TA's value of 8.9. Let's talk about pricing. The Firestone Destination AT2 is priced 9% higher than the BFGoodrich Trail Terrain TA, making it a more premium option in this comparison. So, which tire should you choose? If you prioritize wet grip, dry handling and fuel efficiency, the Firestone Destination AT2 is a strong performer. On the other hand, if you need better gravel, dirt traction and more affordable pricing, the BFGoodrich Trail Terrain TA is the better option.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.